Welcome to Cooking with Natsumi. Today I am going to show you how to make okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is like a salty pancake. So, ingredient: 2 eggs, some seafood, but you can use some bacon or some different kind of meat. Okay, and 8 ounces of flour, 8 ounces of water, and quarter of cabbage. Then okonomiyaki sauce. This is a very important ingredient. Okay. Then some oil for cooking. Okay. So first we are going to chop the cabbage. Okay, now I am going to wash cabbage. I really like this salad washing machine. This is so practical. Okay, now we are going to mix everything together. Oops. And some and some seafood, flour, and some water. Okay, so and also I like to put a little bit of soba sauce. This is soba and tempura sauce. Just maybe 1 teaspoon. Okay, and mix well. That's it. Now we are going to cook. Okay, let's warm up pan medium heat and put some oil on. Spread the oil in the entire pan. So now let's put some ingredient. Okay. Then cover. Wait for about 5 minutes until the base becoming nice golden color. Okay, after 5 minutes, let's open, check it out. Let's turn, flip. Oops. Yes, start having nice color, nice golden color. So that's it. A little bit of press to make it flat and then adjust the shape. Okay, reduce the heat a little bit. Keep it between medium to low. And another 5 minutes. Okay, let's check it out. Perfect. Don't lose shrimp. Now, it's very important. You must put okonomiyaki sauce on the okonomiyaki. Okay? I usually get okonomiyaki sauce online, so I'm gonna make sure to put a link in the comment section. Nice. Ooh, smells so good. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna taste. いただきます。It is going to be really hot, so just be careful. So perfect, so fluffy, and then of course sauce playing big part for okonomiyaki. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future recipes. See you soon!